4 Young David Lincoln, 274 Young David Lincoln.
It's over in seconds, a controlled stop, suspect in custody, but not without risk along the way. This pursuit shows how quickly situations escalate and how critical timing and coordination really are. Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more real chase breakdowns.
10-4, that's me, supposed to be 1053, 1053, Adams County as of today.
It's headed westbound on I-40. It's going to be the stolen vehicle out of Johnson County.
Lincoln County,
So I'm catching up to him.
I got it behind me. They're coming around now.
At this point, the outcome is inevitable. The suspect loses control and contact is made. There's no clean ending in situations like this. Damage is done, and now officers shift instantly from pursuit mode to scene control and safety. And this is where things turn unpredictable. Commands are loud, direct, and urgent as officers move in fast. The suspect's hesitation creates a split-second risk window. In moments like this, control is everything.
Suspect, she just hit me.
Get out!
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Give me your other hand. All right.
Bring it down.
Here. Like a thief in the night. Fuck all you man. Day for day. Still making love. You know my wife. She wanna care. So fuck on her. I wanna fuck my fuck. Yeah. Help me, please.
That was mine. It came out with
I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real street, like a thief in love. I'm rich, but I'm riding low on this side. I'm about to fly out and go give me some.
Put on car shit. We have the escape shut down. I mean 1011 for this vehicle. Another vice supervisor, TDI.
549 up to 48. Something's calm down. Just give me a 21.
Simple. Let's move everything over here. We'll get traffic rolling. Let's move everything over here so we can open it up a little bit.
Okay. Hey, dog.
I got a tow truck coming.
Take him down. Get him out of here while we get this.
Yeah.
Now this is the critical moment. The officer closes the gap and commits. You can hear the urgency as units coordinate and move in. At this speed, even a slight miscalculation could trigger a major crash. Would you take the pass here, or hold back?
29, 25. Careful. When you get up here, will you stop just a little bit short? And yeah, if you'll just hold this lane closed, please. Once he hit his brakes, I had any choice but to hit him at that point. Yeah. You're going to need a tow truck too, aren't you? Yeah. 29 bucks. He's hit one of the PD vehicles after he spun out. We're going to need a 1011 for the vehicle as well. If they have a preference, I'll find out. You guys have a preference for tow truck here?
I've never really been in this situation.
It starts like any routine call-out, but within seconds, officers lock onto a fleeing vehicle, pushing westbound at speed. What begins as a simple track turns into a high-stakes pursuit, and now every move matters.
You need
We'll just do next up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please advise next up. Huh? What's that?
Where did you meet me at?
I'm going to have to do paperwork on the pursuit and everything. Do you care to do a crash report on this? Simple. If you'll send me an OCA for this pursuit, and send 25 an OCA, she's going to work crash with the suspect with you.
This truck's not having a radio. This truck's not having a radio.
Yeah.
I have no idea what's going on.
I was eating